Hello and welcome to this beginner's English lesson on the times of the day. In this lesson, we will learn the names of different times of the day and how to pronounce them correctly in English. Let's begin with the morning. Repeat after me. Morning. Great. The morning starts when we wake up and lasts until around 12 p.m. It's the time when we have breakfast and start our day. Next, we have the noon. Say it with me. Noon. Great. Noon is the middle of the day, 12 o'clock in the daytime, or about that time. Next, we have the afternoon. Say it with me. Afternoon. The afternoon starts after 12 p.m. and lasts until around 6 p.m. It's the time when we often have lunch and continue our daily activities. Moving on, we have the evening. Repeat after me. Evening. Well done. The evening starts when the sun begins to set and lasts until around 9 p.m. It's the time when we usually have dinner and spend time with our family and friends. Next, we have the night. Say it with me. Night. Good job. The night starts after the evening and lasts until the next morning. It's the time when we sleep and rest. Now, let's learn about a specific time in the middle of the night, midnight. Repeat after me. Midnight. Fantastic. Midnight is exactly 12 o'clock at night when it transitions into a new day. Finally, we have the early morning. Say it with me. Early morning. Well done. The early morning is the time just before the sun rises, usually around 5 or 6 a.m. It's a peaceful time when the world is waking up. That's it for this beginner's lesson on the times of the day in English. Remember to practice the pronunciation of these words to improve your English skills. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this lesson helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more English lessons.